So, good evening, everybody, and especially to our seamanship instructor, Sir Captain Leo Acayos. And tonight, I'm going to talk about the basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship. So, the key terms in the basic nomenclature for ship's initial stability are the metacenters, center of buoyancy, center of gravity, metacentric height GM, right arm GZ, and displacement. And we will going to tackle it in the next slide. So the basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship. So mao ni siya ang nagpasabot kung ang barko unsa kuno siya magpuyo sa dagat, tilts, or how describes how the ship behaves when it tilts slightly from an upright position and its ability to return to balance. So in short, kuan ra na siya pagbalanse mao na, since we're talking about the initial stability of a ship. It refers only into the stability or how the ship will balance in the sea. So, in the basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship includes the following terms. So, in simpling terms ang GM, KJ, KM, KB are mga measurements na siya sa gilayon related to kung asa ang ship's weight concentrated or the center gravity, or G kanang tunga-tunga, and where the water pushes up on it, and center of the buoyancy plus the metacenter, which helps the gauge stability. Makita ra ni siya sa last slide. And GZ is what creates the push to bring the ships back upright, while BMG define key points and how much the ship is tilted, kung unsa kuno siya magtuya-tuya ang ship. And so in metacentric height or GM kay diri moingon kung unsa ka stable initially ang ship, and the bigger the GM number, the better it can handle small tilts or like magtuya-tuya ang barko side by side. So next is initial stability, is how the ship resists minor shifts in balance from uneven forces on its side. So sa what I've said before na sa metacentric height magtuya-tuya dyan na siya side by side, and dira makita kung unsa ba jud makapugong ang ship sa pag-tilt and uneven forces. So overall ship stability refers to its tendency to bounce back to upright and being pushed or moved by something external. So mano ni siya og kung like bawod ang dagat ang ship, like ana dyan siya magtuya-tuya, depende sa kuan o kung ang inyong kargada pod ug ang center of gravity sa ship. Factors affecting stability include how the hull is shaped, how deep the ship sits in the water or the draft, unsa kalawmon kuno, and how level it is from front to back trim. So next kay ato nang i-explain ang sa diagram sa ship. So the visual guide kay sa diagram is K is the keel or like kinaubsan sa barko, and dira magsugod kung asa siya masukod sa waterline or ang draft. Next is G is the center of gravity, and B the center of buoyancy, and the M in the metacenter. Na siya sa tunga-tunga, makita sa diagram nato diri sa kuan. And KJ measures how much high G is from to K, or KB is B height from the KM, and M height is from K. So GM, the critical measure for initial stability, dire na siya makuan ug kung na-align ba jud kay, ug kung wala magani na siya na-align maside maana mao jud nagingon na matumba jud yung barko. So that's it for tonight's topic. I hope you understand everything. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much.